Hi everyone out there on YouTube, this is David from DP Computing. Here we've got should turn it around the other way, a BreezePC, which is a very small form factor computer. I'm just going to open it up to show you how to update some of the bits and pieces in there. Now what we've got is the reverse side of it. You've got these little feet which are covering all the screw holes. So there's 4 feet covering the screw holes. Just use a Phillips head screw. First off, use something flat to get the feet. To pull them off, then there's the screws underneath, so you unscrew those. Once you've unscrewed those, what I found the easiest way to do is get something very small and thin. This is just probably a bit thicker than a normal CD ejector I've got, which is here, but what is an actual CD ejector I've got. So anything small and thin, and then sort of push down through the hole to undo the actual top of the unit. And there you can see we can then get under the top of the unit and then pull it. Go around and unclip it all. So center it a bit more in the screen. So we've got the actual DVD unit there, SSD here, looks like the monitor port, and then the motherboard must be underneath all this. So just to make it a bit quicker and simpler, I won't go through everything, but here we've got the hard drive. So it looks like it's held in by 2 screws here. And we just need a smaller Phillips head screw for that. I'm just trying a 0. So these units can come with a normal platter drive or a SSD. If you've got a platter drive and want to upgrade it, so there you go, and it's just held in by the little connector here. So pull that out, and there we've got the normal SSD drive. It's got a little bracket, mounting bracket here, which is held in by 2 screws there and there. So just unscrew them. You can then pop that back over your new drive and then reverse what we did to get it out. The optical drive is held in by this screw here. And that just pops out, and we've got the little connector there, so just pull that out and there you are. You can then replace that. This one's a Super Multi DVD writer, model number GUBON. So there we can go, see if we can, probably the focus isn't too well. And then under here we've got the actual motherboard itself. But I'll leave it there. If you want to remove the motherboard, that's up to you. I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye for now.